Well, my God, you have to excuse me for a second here. We just sat down. Need to light a cigar here. We'll get her done. My God, don't take long. Don't take very long with that. God, that's the only way to do her. Anyways, you'd think we'd be able to afford a little more light around this place. Shit. But then again, it is 2:30 in the morning. Been a long day. Kind of wrapping things down a little bit here. Go inside and get a little shut-eye for, oh, hell, I don't know, a couple hours maybe. We'll see. We'll see what it does. Anyhow, hopefully we find you in good health. Life treating you all right. Figured we'd do another little tool review here. Man, I had to change a couple spark plugs out. Well, more than a couple, but I got this set here. This I think it's gear wrench. I got it. Works pretty good. I think it's got a magnetic piece inside. Put that old stogie there on there. But anyways, it's got a swivel in there. I got it just nice. Swivels around really nice. And it does not pull off. Nice. You get down in those newer engines anymore and you gotta drop it down in there so the spark plug doesn't fall out. Won't fall out. Swivels around. And then it doesn't leave the socket down there because it's made on there. My God, that's pretty slick. You know, what that probably what that, I don't know, 4-inch. There's a little job right there. And I think we got a, what do we got here? We got a, oh hell, what is that thing? 8-inch? We got a nice one here. Like I said, set works good. I don't think they're that expensive. I think Gear Wrench makes them. I could not tell you the part number on it. That's how prepared I am. But yeah, my God, get yourself a set. Pretty nice. Makes life easy. My God, getting thirsty. Oh yeah, that's much better. That's a little better. Like I said, been a long day. Heated myself something up to eat here. Smells good. We'll find out. So yeah, got a nice day out today. A little bit of sun, a little bit of clouds, a whole lot of wind. Wasn't real bad windy, but I got it was starting to dry things out pretty nice. So yeah, I got we'll be out mowing some grass in this lawn here probably the next day or two. I don't even look forward to that. Man, I don't know. Don't like mowing. Never have. Said I don't mind cutting hay, but man, I hate mowing grass. Some people like it. Some people go, oh man, it's It's beautiful out, and it's like 100 in the shade, humidity higher than hell, and they go, "Oh man, it's nice out. It is great." They must be out there. They're gonna go golfing. Man, beautiful day to go golfing. Well, I don't know. You'd think that'd be hot. They must need to move to down south. Where it's nice and hot. And you can run around in your shorts, and short sleeves, all you like. My God. So it sure makes it a lot better when you can do that. So, my God, when it gets 75, that's starting getting warm for me. 30 below, it's starting to get a little cool there. Some people love the desert. Look how beautiful it is. I suppose that's all you know. Depends where you live in the world and what you like. Everybody's different. Everybody's got their own opinions on things. That's good. We need a diverse class. My God, it'd be terrible if everybody thought the same way I did. It'd be awful boring. Wouldn't be much fun. Nice to have different views, different thoughts. My God, that's what keeps this country, this world moving forward. For better or worse. So, hopefully, you go out there and look at some gear wrench, and by God, I wish I had a part number for you. I just don't have one. I mean, I looked there, it's not there. I suppose I could have got online, but I didn't. I'm sure probably other places make it besides gear wrench. Anyhow, y'all, y'all be charitable out there to each other. Be kind to one another. The world doesn't need more strife and problems and everything else goes on with that. A lot of crazy shit going on out there. Saw some young lady, I don't know if you can call her a lady, lost her mind, had to have, to stab her 3 children. Unbelievable. Just, could you imagine? Had to be crazy. It's like anybody going out and doing stupid, crazy stuff like that. There's just no sense in it. That's why they're crazy. They have to be. Remember, you can be a vessel for good or a vessel for evil. It's what you let in. Never could make sense of somebody going out and doing senseless stuff, hurting innocent people. That's just crazy stuff right there. Especially young. Especially your own. Well, hate to end this on a down note, but make sure you let your kids and your wife and your loved ones, let them know you love them, care about them, you're thinking about them. If you're having problems with parents, family members, friends, call them up. Meet with them. Let them know you care about them. Life's short. You don't know when. It's over. No reason to go through life in a painful manner when you can just straighten it up, maybe. So, until next time, y'all take care and hope to find you in good health.